Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota 4Runner key fob. First, gather all your key fobs, including any existing ones you want to keep working. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions during the process. Next, sit in the driver's seat and ensure all doors are closed. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and successful programming experience. Having everything ready saves time and prevents common issues. To begin, insert your key into the ignition and remove it 2 times within 5 seconds. Next, close and open the driver's door 2 times. After that, insert the key back into the ignition. Now turn the ignition to the on position and then off 2 times. Finally, remove the key from the ignition. The power door lock should cycle, indicating the vehicle is now in programming mode. This sequence must be precise. Now take your new key fob. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons for 1 second. Release both buttons, then immediately press and hold the lock button for 2 seconds. The door lock should cycle once, confirming that your key fob has been successfully programmed. If you have additional fobs, repeat this step for each one within 40 seconds. This ensures all your fobs are recognized by the vehicle. To exit programming mode, simply close the driver's door. Now, it's time to test all your key fobs. Walk around your Toyota 4Runner and try locking and unlocking the doors with each fob to confirm they are working perfectly. This final check is important to ensure everything is set up correctly. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the programming steps. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.